Jai Hind everyone. Today is my 13th day of recording the video in English to improve the communication skill. Basically, it's a challenge of 60 days to improve the communication, enhance my preparation for upcoming SSB. And I want to improve it, the communication skill, and I want to learn about it, like how I will make a fillers, how to use fillers, and also how to get the basic idea, like how to excel in the communication. And I have also watched the English communication videos on the YouTube. I have learned a lot, like where to emphasize on the main words of the sentence, and also I have made some strategies to improve my communication. And also I want to tell you like why it is necessary the English communication skill, because of it enhances a good personality. It makes a person like a good cooperative at the society level. And also English is necessary at the world level, and especially in SSB interview English is necessary, because of when I will become the captain, lieutenant, major, colonel, or in especially in air force, flying officer, flight lieutenant, squadron leader, wing commander, group captain, air commodore. Then I will do some exercises of the air force with other countries personnel and other countries officer. Then I have to do collaboration with them. I have to do talk with them, and then I need a Angrezi English for that, and that's the reason for it. And also there is a requirement of the English at the world level, because of our jobs are limited at that moment at the world. And if I talk about globalization, jobs are limited, and also AI is taking the jobs of the creativity, and that's the most endangered situation for the man for the jobs. And also like I want to become an air force officer, so SSB wants English, and that's the reason for it. And it's my personal choice to become an officer, not a family pressure, and also not something very other else. And that's the reason of it. And gentlemen, I want to improve it, I want to excel in English communication, and that's the reason for it. So if I talk about like how I approach for it to improve the communication, basically I have take the challenge for the 60 days to boost my communication. And that's the 13th day I have improved a lot, because of I do my hard work, put efforts, I do collaboration with the people, I do socialization, I connect with other people and shared their thoughts and also shared my thought. Then I got a overview like how to talk people in English and how to do a satisfaction conversation with them and a impressive conversation with them. That's what it defines me. So gentlemen, it's a necessary at the world level, because of English. If you are not speaking English, people make a fool easily, and you can't collaborate at the world level.